In 2025, dropshippers often ask Zendrop or Spocket, which one is better? Well, let's break it down. Zendrop focuses on fast shipping and streamlined order fulfillment. It connects you with mostly Chinese suppliers, but offers branded invoicing and faster delivery options, especially with e-packet and express shipping. Zendrop is great if you want to focus on automation with speed. On the other hand, Spocket specializes in suppliers from the US and Europe, meaning faster shipping for those markets. It's perfect if you want higher quality products and with localized inventory, reducing shipping time significantly. Plus, Spocket offers branded invoicing and a user-friendly interface. Pricing wise, Zendrop has a free plan with limited features, and paid plans start around $49 per month. Spocket's plans start at about $39 per month, but focus more on premium suppliers. So if your goal is fast fulfillment with branded packaging and automations, and drop wins. But if you want premium products from local suppliers and quicker shipping in the US or Europe, Spocket should be your pick. Want to see a side by side demo? Hit like, subscribe, and I'll break it down in the next video.